Welcome to the Luxury Cars Review. Mercedes-Benz offers a range of motorhome campervan conversions based on its Sprinter and Vito models. Here's a short review of their exterior design. 1. Mercedes-Benz Sprinter campervan design, sleek, modern, and aerodynamic with a high roof for better interior space. Features: large side windows, sliding door, and optional pop-up roof. Customization, available in various lengths and 4x4 versions for off-road adventures. Luxury appeal, premium finishes, LED headlights, and Mercedes signature grille. 2. Mercedes-Benz Vito Marco Polo design, compact and stylish with a more car-like appearance. Features: pop-up roof, sliding door, and integrated side awning. Best for urban camping and short trips due to its smaller size. Both models offer high build quality, durability, and a premium look, making them some of the most desirable campervans on the market. Interior: Mercedes-Benz Sprinter campervan luxury space, spacious, high-end interior with premium materials like leather, wood, and soft touch finishes. Layout options: configurable with a kitchenette, full bathroom, and sleeping for 2-4 people. Technology: Bucks infotainment system, touch screen controls, ambient lighting, and smart storage solutions. Comfort: swivel captain seats, climate control, and high-quality insulation for all-season travel. Mercedes-Benz Vito Marco Polo compact yet functional, designed for smaller spaces with a pop-up roof, bed and foldable rear seats. Essentials packed in: small kitchenette, storage compartments, and a versatile seating area. Modern touch, high-quality materials, LED lighting, and built-in connectivity for a smart experience. Both models prioritize luxury, comfort, and smart use of space, making them among the best premium campervans.